I just love Dolly Parton, and I was so excited to hear that she had these fun cake mixes. Now, I couldn't find these in our local shops, but I was able to find them online. I heard you could use cake mix to make a very easy donut. So I'm going to use this banana cake mix and make a banana donut. Start with a box of cake mix, 2 ripe bananas, and a little applesauce. Mash that all together. Fill up a piping bag and squirt it into your donut baking sheets. Now I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to check them a little before that though. They're out. Time to cool. Yummy! I mixed some powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and just a touch of water to create a little drizzle or dip for your donuts. Grab your donut, dip it in, and we've got ourselves a banana chocolate donut. Easy cake mix donuts. My friend Donald told me about this idea. He also said you can make a very simple cake mix donut using only a can of pumpkin puree with a box of spice cake mix. That's it. So simple. Let's try this banana donut. Look at that. It's perfect. Moist. Very banana-y. And I love that chocolate topping. It's a great donut and super simple. What do you call that period of time when you slip on a banana and then you land on your butt? It's a banana-second.